Hey everyone, if you're looking to elevate your workspace setup, the FlexiSpot EN1 is a fantastic standing desk that combines functionality, durability, and affordability. You might have seen this featured in some of my recent videos, and I've been loving it so far. FlexiSpot was kind enough to send me this desk for review, but all opinions are always my own. The desk has an extremely smooth height adjustments, a sturdy frame, and customizable desk options to match your room's aesthetics perfectly, and it's perfect for keeping your workspace ergonomic and dynamic. Whether you're working from home or upgrading your office, this desk has many features to support a healthy and productive workflow. So let's dive in and see why the FlexiSpot EN1 could be the perfect desk for you. First off, the unboxing experience was great with minimal parts and added packaging filler, but it felt like the desk was safe and secure within the box, which sometimes when you get a large package that is totally beat up and you worry about if the contents are safe, but not with this packaging. The build experience was extremely easy and quick, with the manual giving great directions for each step. In all, with filming, the complete build took me about 40 minutes or so. So if you're good at building furniture, this should be a piece of cake. One difficult spot though was adding the cross beams to the legs, so having a second person would make this easier, but if you prop it up with a pillow like you saw, you shouldn't have a problem. The desk offers an extremely nice top, giving you a 1-inch thick piece of wood, and it is one ply throughout, so you're not getting two separate pieces where you might get a crease down the middle, which might hurt your laptop's ability to sit flat or a coffee cup or anything like that. You know, you're getting one solid piece, which is great. The top is extremely smooth, extremely easy to clean, so if you ever do spill anything on it, you know, it's not going to stain the top and sink in. You can wipe it off easy, crumbs and stuff like that. The pattern on the top is fantastic, depending on which one you get. This is the mahogany, and it does come in a 24 by 48 size. So it is big, but not yet over bulking where it's going to take up an entire wall or feel like it's just the entire part of your room. It's got size enough for different monitors and things to hook up on the back. As you can see, my laptop's here. You got a plant, a light. You can outfit this desk in so many different ways with a ton of different room. And each corner does come rounded, so you're not going to have to worry about walking past it, accidentally hip checking a corner into your side and getting hurt that way. You know, they're very nice and rounded, which is great to see. I'm a big fan of the top of this desk. It feels very sturdy and it can withhold pretty much anything, you know, barring, you know, sitting on it or something like that. You know, you do have weight management because it is electronic, but you know, it's going to handle anything you put on this desk, from very large monitors to a couple monitors, anything like that. The height adjustment display is extremely easy to use. On the left side, you do have your up and down buttons respectively, and then you do have 4 customizable buttons, leading with a standing, sitting, and then 3 and 4. You can set the standing and sitting to whatever adjustment you want, but for easy reference, you can just go ahead and set those to that, so you'll remember, and it's going to be very easy. 3 and 4 can be whatever you want. It does move up and down extremely smoothly and quietly. I believe it is under 50 decibels, so you hardly hear it. And if this is in an office setting, you're not going to be bothering people around you or anything like that. On the left-hand side, you can see a little LCD display that shows you your height adjustments. The height adjustment can go anywhere from 28.1 to 47.5 inches. So a lot of variability there, whether you're tall, short, it can handle that for standing and sitting. If you did want to set your preferences, all you have to do is set it to the height, press and hold the button for about 5 seconds, and then you will see on the left-hand side, you'll get S3 saying that set third button along with the 4th. So if we go ahead and set and push number 4 as well, you'll be able to see that it says S4 right there, and you know that that is set. On each side, you get the ability to attach a metal headphone holder, or it can hold a purse, ball cap, coat, anything like that. And they're metal and they're extremely durable. You know, these things aren't going anywhere. They're not flimsy plastic, so you're not going to have to worry about breaking them or really bending them. They can handle a ton of weight there, so that's great. You do get two spots, and on the same side, on the other side of the desk, and they don't go over the edge of the desk, which I think is a very thoughtful feature. So if you do butting this up against the wall, you know, you're not going to have to worry about this hitting first and not being able to be flush against it. So very thoughtful and a great feature to add there. And it is out of the way and easily grabbable from the front of the desk. You don't have to like fully reach around or get up out of your desk just to be able to grab your headphones or whatever is hanging on the side of this. Talking about the quality of the product as well, these metal legs are extremely durable and thick. I was very surprised, you know, when they came and out of the box. I believe it's around 45 pounds of a desk, so extremely hefty, not super heavy where you're not gonna be able to move it on your own, but sturdy enough where you're not gonna feel like you're gonna move it or it's gonna break or anything like that. You know, this is really solid and good pieces of metal, and it's all the way around. So every part of this desk is going to be down and secure, and you're not going to have to worry about anything breaking. So really nice touch. And these do come in different colors. So if you wanted white or you wanted black, you know, you can match it with the wood of the top as well. In all, the FlexiSpot EN1 whole piece standing desk is a great add to your home or office and at a great price. One thing I do wish it came with is a cable management tray, but you can purchase theirs on their Amazon site, and it easily attaches to the designated points under the desk. It retails for $199, but on Amazon they're always running sales, which at the time of filming this, it was down to $135. So go check out the link in the description below. So should you buy the FlexiSpot EN1? My answer is absolutely. If you're in the market for a great standing desk that's durable and at a good price point compared to some of its other competitors, this is an absolute winner. With some of the other standing desks, you can get them for around $1,000 or so, and that's just absolutely crazy when you're getting the same functionality with the EN1. I mean, it's got the great height adjustments, it's extremely sturdy, it's made out of quality material, so there's really nothing to lose in getting this desk. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer all those. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.